In this video, we're going to talk about I still believe is a hidden gem of Safemoon. Yes, Safemoon, you might have heard of this. It definitely took the internet by storm, especially on the Twitter page. Over 782,000 followers. And Safemoon, let's go ahead and dive into this content. I still feel like it's a hidden gem, even though it has definitely has strong some interest around the Twitter and social media world. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification for more videos like this, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. Let's go ahead and dive in. You know what time it is. Safemoon right now is definitely taking a nosedive because the market is down right now. And this is an opportunity. I can't tell you what to do, but this is an opportunity to do your research and look in something like Safemoon. Now you might be wondering, what is Safemoon and how do I get Safemoon if I want to get this? But first, Safemoon is this. I'm right on CoinMarketCap. Safemoon protocol is a decentralized finance DeFi token. According to Safemoon website, Safemoon has 3 functions that takes place during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. Absolutely. And on their website here, they have a really cool website. This is exactly what it looks like. Safemoon protocol is a community-driven, fair launch DeFi token. And exactly what I was just talking about before, that's involved with reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. Absolutely. Safemoon, I think they really want to be the people's coin. Absolutely. Especially because it's high community driven. And also, holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of Safemoon grow indefinitely. That's one of the bonuses about having Safemoon. Not only the price is low, but you get handsome rewards as well. Now, how do you buy Safemoon? Well, Safemoon, you can get it on a couple of places. It's going to basically expand as we go forward through the market. But one of the areas is Bitmart that I've noticed that I checked out Bitmart in terms of how you can purchase Safemoon. You can get it right here. Here's the Bitmart website. I will have this in the description box right below this video if you want to go ahead and learn to purchase the cryptocurrency called Safemoon. So basically all you do here, you type in Safemoon, and there you go. You click on trade, and there you go. You can start out an account. Don't worry about it. Start account and look more into it. So there's Safemoon. You can get it right on Bitmart. You also can get it on Pancake, PanckakeSwap. You can download the actual mobile app of the Trust Wallet and swap it with BNB and buy Safemoon that way. I'm on a PanckakeSwap of the exchange, so you can actually buy BNB and exchange it for Safemoon. So that's also how you can do it. Just type in Safemoon right here on your PanckakeSwap, and there you go. You do have to get some BNB though. You definitely have to get some BNB to be able to swap that as well. And that's a good way of getting Safemoon if you want to buy Safemoon. Now, let's go back to pretty much some of the information about what Safemoon is all about. Now, Safemoon basically this core team is a very talented team. Like I said before in some of my videos, I like looking at the team and love looking at the LinkedIn profiles. I'm a big fan of going to the LinkedIn profiles to like to see what they've done and see what they've done before. So this is actually the CEO of Safemoon, and I like what I'm seeing on some of the stuff he's done before. He's been the CEO before, and look at this. We currently have 142,000 token holders and that amount of money dollar market cap. So he's growing a really beautiful foundation here, and he's got a lot of support. Look at the Twitter following. If I go back to Twitter, look at all these followings here, and look at all the information that it does have, all the volume it gets. 782,000 followers. And then look at this. Anytime they post something, they get so many different information, so many likes, and so many, remember what I say, loves, and so many retweets. New exchanges is coming out, so there's more information is coming out here. Oh, that is a new exchange. L Bank exchange is a new exchange that's coming on Safemoon platform. And of course, the tokenomics definitely does. That's one of the best things about Safemoon is some of the tokenomics that it does have. I'm going to tell you right now, I like the fact that holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of Safemoon grow indefinitely. So it's basically, it's kind of like the people's coins giving back to the community, and they're going to burn so much of the supply as they go along. So they're going to burn the supply. The market cap's going to go up. The holders, wow, that many holders now? Wow, over 2 million holders based off when he put this in. He said 142,000. That might have been like 2 months ago. Oh my goodness. On his LinkedIn profile, it says 142,000. And then if you go on their website here, it says holders 2 million, over 2 million holders. So they are one of the fastest growing companies in terms of crypto and assets that you're going to find. And right here, you can also see, you can actually buy it. From here, you get information to buying it. So you can go to this website and learn how to buy it. Remember, we went over Pancake, and also there's some other of the Trust Wallet. This is how you can get it as well, of the Binance Smart Chain. So you can just kind of swap it out. So look at the website. I will have Safemoon website below this video as well, so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. So Safemoon is definitely has been moving. It's been really, really moving. And then more about section, we kind of went over that. And, you know, I know they had an audit recently, so that went pretty well for them. And now they're looking to add more, even more volume with a new exchange that's going to come out. And what was it? LP, yeah, L Bank exchange. There's been rumors some other exchanges coming out. But definitely, if you want to buy this, you can go to Bitmart right here. Really very simple and really easy to do. Or you can go to the PanckakeSwap, where you can actually get the information right from their website in terms of getting the address and everything like that. Or you can just download the Trust Wallet as well. Trust Wallet to go ahead and switch that out. Now, if I go back to the actually coin market cap, there's other exchanges you can get it from. Hotbit, there's some other places. Bitrue is another one that I didn't go through. Bitrue is actually pretty good as well. So you can actually get it on Bitrue. But look at the price here. The price has actually went down some. And if you look at the price, Safemoon has a lot of potential in terms of volume moving the price. I think it's still a hidden gem in my opinion because of how low the price is and some of the things that they want to do. They're all about the community driven, all about trying to give back to the community, which is a really good thing. They look at this back in April. They've really risen in price pretty good. Then it kind of went down a little bit over the course of some time, and now they're at the lowest part they've been in quite some time. So there's opportunity if it's something you want to do your research and take a look at. That's all I'm gonna tell you, to take a look at. That's all I'm saying here. So that's Safemoon. That's my review over it. This is how you buy it. You buy it from Pancake or Bitmart. I'll have it right below this video. Check it out. Also, I will have their website that talks more about Safemoon, the community driven, the automatic LP, and more things as well. And also, Safemoon is one of those type of coins that it has a strong Twitter following. I mean, it may be bigger than Dogecoin, and Dogecoin following is pretty big. Let me click on Dogecoin. Let me see how if it is. Okay, it's not big as Dogecoin yet. Dogecoin got 1.5 million, but Safemoon is about half of that right now, and it just kind of started not that much long ago, a couple of months ago, I guess, back in March. So that's a really, really good sign for the future of Safemoon. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want to buy Safemoon, click on the links below of Bitmart and PanckakeSwap. Take a look at that. And I'll see you on the next video. You do not want to miss my next video, my next hidden gem. You definitely do not want to miss this. I have a really, really good ones coming up. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video.